Here's one we don't see every day at Unique, especially in classics. What a cool truck. 1948 Diamond T, model 201. This would have been a one-ton model. Diamond T 201s were produced from 1938 to 49, with only about 7,000 being made over that time period. As you can see, the car-like grille. The paint on this does show its age in some spots. Kind of adds to the nostalgia of the older 1948 truck. Take a look. The Diamond T plate on the side of the hood. Of course, the Diamond T hood ornament. Matching Diamond T plate on this side. If you want to check out the engine bay, I have pictures of that, the underside, interior, on our website. So still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Underneath that hood is a 236 cubic inch inline six, and that's paired up with a Warner 4-speed. It's a Hercules engine in these. Interior vinyl bench. Gauge cluster. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start this up, let you hear it run. I'll let you take a peek underneath the hood. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at that, the Diamond T wheel covers. Pretty rare item. There's also a box of some miscellaneous. There is side glass. I noticed there was a crack in one of the side windows. There's some side glass, some rubber stripping. I have still pictures of that with it sitting in the box, so you can see what will come with it, with that box of extra goodies included in the sale of this Diamond T model 201. These were produced in Chicago, Illinois. And for the time, really overbuilt, they considered it. Very quality, floating rear axle, front I-beam. Those wheel covers and the running boards were standard. Let's take a look at the box. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see pictures from every angle of that box. Again, the undersides, interior. Again, the vinyl bench seat. Looks like it's pretty much free of any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Had the dual crank out windows for passenger and driver's side. This is one of those, drive it the way it is, take it to the next level. It's your choice. One thing's for sure, you're not going to come across a lot of other ones. Let's go ahead and start this up. So I'm going to turn the key to the right here, push button. Noticed as far as the gauges, the amps really didn't seem to do a lot. Fuel didn't move either. But as you can see, oil pressure gauge has some life to it. That was a cold start. So as far as temperature gauge, I'd expect it to be down there. Little placard with the model number, serial number. You can see that in the still pictures. I'm going to tap to get it to show up, but you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Just make sure we're in neutral. Again, a 4-speed manual transmission paired up with that Hercules engine. I guess what you'd expect an inline six to sound like. And let's slip up to the front. I'm going to open both sides of the hood for you. Get those propped up. Let you check out that engine bay. Give me 1 second, and I will check out this inline six.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go, the hood's open. Now I do have still pictures of any of the plaques, side of the engine, any of the plates that were attached to the vehicle. There's a couple more on the other side. First of all, let's check out that engine bay. It's that inline 6, running smooth too. Wow. Sounds good. All right, let me come around to this side, show you a couple of these plates. All right, so this you can see chassis number, model number, maximum speed, chassis weight. There's close-ups of those. There's also one from the side of that engine, showed you on the other side. Hey, if you're a Model T expert, put some comments down below. Want to do any decoding? Let us know anything about this truck. Go ahead. Love to read the comments, see what they have to say, especially on a cool special vehicle like this. '48 Diamond T Model 201 pickup. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.